Look at this. My watch stopped working, which is a metaphor, right? Which is a positive metaphor. There you go. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you so much. Oh. All right. I got my own pool?
There's flavor.
What? Hey! I got a pool.
Yes, it's a private pool.
I love it.
Okay.
My friend, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Chocolate cake is a welcome. I don't know if anyone has ever welcomed me with chocolate cake. Oh. We have a game changer in hotel accommodations, and this one came with chocolate cake. Yeah, not just any chocolate cake. This is an advertisement for the restaurant. Touché. I'm having a very hard time focusing right now because I've got the best chocolate cake ever, some delicious fruit, but I have stairs. I mean, are we gonna do this right now? News for you other hotels, you're gonna have to step it up. About bags of cocaine waiting. In fact, I think I'm going to just save these for later, right? So, let me explain something. It's been a long day. I need to clear everything out. Memory cards, charge, battery, turn the cameras off for a while. I got it. I've been out and about for 2 weeks. I have done my share of hiking across rocks and whatever. I feel like I've done more in years past. That being said, these were brand new, and if I was here another week, I don't know if they're making it. I don't know if I can get home. I only bought one pair of shoes, which is why my body hurts, just to let you know. If the shoe can't hold up. The guy that I rent the bike from, he mentioned that he would like a drone shot of his garden, his orchard.
Okay, to make it one small video, my garden.
Normally, I'm limited on time of what I can and can't do, and he's always been kind and absolutely. Oh, Frosty! No, I found Frosty. Frosty is chilling underneath of a fig tree and happy. They have the gate open. I hear hammering. I would love to go down. Hello. It's just weird. Weird. Hi, I named your donkey. Oh, whoa, we got movement. Frosty! Hello, Mr. Frosty. Hello? Oh, I'm looking at you. Oh, I'm looking at you. I used to bring you apples. I would love to go down on the property. It's too much to explain. Hi. Hi, I've named your donkey.
I know, but hold on now. You know where is my gun? You remember?
But you're coming, aren't you?
No, you go alone.
No, I can't find it by myself.
Follow me.
I got a question. Hold on, let's back up. You know this donkey?
Yes, name Marios.
Marios?
Marios.
It's not Frosty?
Marios.
Well, I want to go see this donkey one day.
No, I drive. He's the friend of me.
Oh my goodness.
Friend of me, the owner.
I would like to go pet this donkey.
Okay. Also now, if you want.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes. I love it. I love it. I want to do this for you.
Thank you.
I will give you a beautiful shot, my friend.
Oh, thank you very much, my friend.
I'll give you a video and then I'll give you a picture. Wasn't that a privilege? That's the right word. Wasn't that a privilege? Wow, just olives. Olives everywhere. Look at the colors on these. And that's the beauty I'm taking with me. Wasn't that a gift?